lovable glam DIY projects using hangers.
Ourselves together, we'll go far.
Hey guys, Yoduvh Essentials here. Today's video I'm going to be using wooden hangers that I got from IKEA because they're way cheaper when you get them from IKEA to make glam decor pieces. I'll remove the iron hooks from all of the hangers. What I'm going to do now is make a square with 4 hangers. Now all I'm going to do is overlap 2 hangers over 2. And I'll be using the caulk adhesive to attach them together. And that's it. All I'm going to be doing now is adding more hangers on top till I get to the height that I want. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. I'm using caulk instead of the regular wood glue. That will be good for wood because with the caulk, it's gonna hold the hangers upright while I attach the other ones so that it doesn't sag down. It also gives me time to adjust the pieces. I let this dry overnight and then I traced out the shape of what I just made on a foam board and then cover the foam board with marble contact paper that I got from Walmart. What I'm making is for the top and it is totally optional. You don't have to cover the top if you don't want to. I'm going to keep this aside and then cover up the holes where I removed the iron hooks. Here's what it looks like with glass on top of it, without the top that I made. Now this is what it looks like with the top that I made. The space in the middle can be used for storage, or you can just have lighting inside. It is so beautiful at night. And this is not just going to be a table, but also another source of lighting. I added some couple of DIYs that I made in the past for those of you who haven't watched it yet. For this DIY, I'll be making shelves. I'll be using mending plates to hold the hangers together. I'm going to make the wicker side of the hangers strong using wood glue. I'm going to cut the shape that I want for the top from a canvas panel. I spray painted it black and then added embellishments around it. The next DIY using hangers will be to make a DIY table with it. I just used stem wires to hold the wooden pieces together while I work. I'm going to make the corners strong with corner braces. And I'll be using the charger plate at the top. I pre-drilled holes on the charger plate first before attaching it to the hangers. This is for preventing the charger plate from having cracks. I painted it white and covered the screws with white paint as well. I'll be decorating the point where they meet with the Christmas ornament ball. And here's the final result. The next DIY is a plant stand. And I'm going to be taking off the iron hooks like I did for the other hangers. And I'm using the same technique like I did for the previous project. And all I'm going to be doing is adding a hoop at the top, attaching it to the wooden parts. And when I was done, I took it out and I spray painted it gold. I used gold trim all around the hoop. I'm going to complete this by removing a part from a lamp that I don't need anymore. I'm going to paint this white, and that's where I'm going to be putting the plants. And for the last but not the least project, these are a set of hangers that I'm going to be removing the hooks like I did for all of the other previous projects. And I'll be using 9 hangers for this particular DIY. For the design, I'll be joining 3 together. I did it like this at first, but that doesn't seem to work. So what I'm going to do now is remove the tape that I had originally put there and then attach all 3 pieces by slightly bending all of them. And when I've gotten the angle that I want, I'll attach them together. I'm using tape just to keep them in place. And then when I'm done, I'm going to turn it over and use a strong caulk adhesive to keep the pieces together. I'll be making 2 more of this pattern. I left these overnight to dry. And then what I'm going to be doing next is attaching all of the 3 designs together. I'm going to have something at the bottom for support, and it's going to be attached at these openings. I cut the shape that I wanted first from a foam board to make sure that it was okay before then cutting out that same shape on a piece of wood. I used zip ties to hold all 3 together, but just FYI, someone has to hold the 3rd piece for you to accurately have these attached together. I have attachments on each corners at the top and at the bottom, so I'll be doing it twice, adding the caulk at the top and at the bottom. I also carefully apply the adhesive at the bottom where I have the attachment. I removed the zip ties after 5 hours, and then I let it stay for some extra hours before taking it out to spray paint it gold. I cut a plexiglass size with my jigsaw. That's going to be at the top. I'll cover the rough sides with pieces that I'm going to cut out from napkin rings. Apart from using this as a table, you can also use it for your plants. These are all quick and easy ideas, and I hope you all enjoyed them. Thank you so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.